Halong Bay, situated in the northern part of Vietnam, is a mesmerizing testament to the beauty of nature's artistic craftsmanship. With its remarkable seascape, emerald waters, and distinctive limestone karsts, Halong Bay has become an iconic destination that captivates travelers from around the world. Comprising over 1,600 limestone islands and islets, Halong Bay is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of Vietnam's natural splendor. The towering limestone pillars, topped with lush, create a surreal landscape that seems to emerge straight from the pages of a fantasy novel. The bay's calm waters reflect these formations, doubling the visual impact and providing a serene environment for cruising and exploration. Beyond its visual grandeur, Halong Bay boasts a rich cultural heritage. Indigenous fishing communities inhabit floating villages, where they maintain their traditional way of life while adapting to the demands of tourism. Visitors can gain insights into the lives of these communities, offering a unique opportunity to appreciate the harmony between humanity and nature. Halong Bay's allure extends beyond its visual appeal. The bay holds historical significance, with ancient tales and legends woven into its geological formations. Its caves and grottos hide mysteries and stories waiting to be discovered by eager adventurers. In conclusion, Halong Bay stands as an awe-inspiring natural masterpiece, a harmonious blend of geological wonder and cultural significance. Its breathtaking beauty and captivating stories make it a must-visit destination for those seeking to immerse themselves in the natural and cultural treasures of Vietnam.